Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the book search part of the tutorial. Here what I am going to do is, here if I enter the student ID, the relevant student details and name should be displayed. Okay, so go to the package, book package is a package, right click, new, JFrame from. Here I am going to give as a search. You write the name of class name is search, finish. Right, now here what I am going to do is, here I am going to create the simple, go to the panel, drag the panel here. Right, now here what I am going to do is, here right click and properties, we have to change the background color as this one, click OK. After that what I am going to do is, here I am going to drag one label and one text box. Right, now here this one, right click and edit, you have to student number, right. Here we will be check this, we will be issue the books or not, right, of this number, right, we easily check, right. So let's click on this number label, right click, properties, font we have to change it as bold and we have to 14th, and foreground color as white, let's change it as white color. Right, perfect. This one, click on this one, edit text, remove the existing text, we have to change the name as txt id. Right, after that we need another one is a JTable. So we go to the palette and search JTable, we have to put it here. Right, perfect. Right, now here select this one, the same thing we have to write here, the same thing, same information, student ID, student name, book and student ID, student name, book and part, we have to same thing right here, student ID, student name, and book part should be displayed. String, this one should be string. Right, all stuff will be displayed, right. If you enter the right student number, the relevant details should be displayed here. Right, now here we have to write the one button, we have to put it here. Right, this one should be, select this one, we have to rename it as search. That's the thing we have to do. Right, after that what I am going to do is, here these rows defaultly come, we have to remove them. Select the JTable, right click, table contents, select the rows, select the row and click delete button. You can delete the way look like this. Now all the row will be deleted. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is, here if I enter the student number, click search, we will be easily filter the record here, right, whether this student is get the book or not, right, it is easily we can find it here. So click the, now here click the search button, we have to search the record. So right click, event, action perform. Here what I am going to do is, here first we have to establish the connection between the database connection here. So let's go to the form, which is I go to the bookpart.java. Here we have a connection we already written here. This one should be the connection object, prepare statement and connection. This is the connection. We all the stuff we have to copy and back to my search.java page, you have to paste them. Right, this one should needed. After that what I am going to do is, you have to Control C to copy this connection, this object, this function. You have to paste when the form is loaded. Right, when the form is loaded. Right, if you paste it here, it's automatically all the namespace should be created. If it is not created, you just right click and select the package, right? It's creating the namespaces, right? That's the way you have to write. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here we have to write the code. Simply we have to write this one should be, we have to load the table, right? We no need to write that one here. How to load this table, this code we have to get. This how we have to load the table, right? This how we have to load the table. You just copy from the try to catch, right? You no need to write from the beginning. So go to the search button, action perform. Here you have to, inside this button you have to paste them, right? Now we have to change them, right? Select how to change this is select all from which table I'm going to find the record. Sales table, where student ID, the student ID here, student ID equal question mark, right? Now here what is the, we have to, what's the name, txt id, right? When the user enters text id and click search, so here we have to write the variable string student number, st number equal, you have to write here txt id dot gettext, right? It assigned to this variable. This variable you have to call it below. pst dot set string 1, you have to pass this one here. Now it's searched, right? Search and pass the result to the relevant columns, right here, right? That's the only thing we have to do, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? The only simple stuff, right? This is the, we are entering the number on this text box. Click search, relevant details should be displayed here. So here we have to change the columns. Column is this one, student ID, student name, student ID, student name, book part, right? This one should be student ID, student name, st name, book part, right? That's the thing we have to do. This is the relevant columns available here, right? Now let's check. Right, now if we enter the number, student number I'm going to enter as here we have the number, what's the number, these are the available. Now I'm going to enter this one, S0001, right? S0001. Click search, relevant details should be displayed, right? If you enter the 004 here, student name is Nira, this is the book, C# book name part 1 part 2, right? You can get the data easily look like this, right? 002, click Peter, Photoshop part 1, right? It's very easy stuff to filter the record look like this, right? I hope you guys understood so far. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the main menu, right? It's very easy stuff. So let's go to the project, right here. Now select the package book, right click, new, here frame, here I'm going to give us a name as main, click finish, right? Now here I'm going to get the main menu, right? Here what I'm going to do is here we need a buttons, so very easy stuff. This one should be the buttons. So we have to get the panel, go to the palette and drag one panel like this. Now here what are the, right click, properties, we have to here border, you have to select this border, simply you have to impose border, you have to select them, right? Now here we have to put buttons. First one should be book, this one should be book creation, right? Second one should be book part creation, right? Third one should be issue book to student. This is issue book. Issue book. Fourth one should be, this one should be search. Right, search. Perfect. Now let's make a link for them. Right, first page, this one, this is the main part. So here we have to put the heading here. Go to the palette, drag one label here. This one should be book inventory. Right, this one we have to right click, properties. Here we have to change the font size as width bold 36. Let's make as 24. It's perfect. Right here. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, we have all the options available. Another one option, we need the button for the exit button we needed. So here we have to make this one as a exit button. Exit. Right, now let's make the link. Select this book button, right click, event, action, action perform. Here we have to write as book page. So book B equal new book. Here we have to write the object B dot set visible true. It goes there, set visible true. Right, at the same time the current form should be hide. So we have to write like this, this dot, sorry, we no need to hide that one. This is the main one, we no need to hide. Right, the same thing, Control C, copy. Second one, this one, right click, event, action, action perform. This page we have to make it as a book part. This one should be book part. Create the object as B, part B, part, book part. Right, this one should be part B. Right, same thing, Control C to copy. This one, issue book, right click, event, action, action perform. This one should be, Control V to paste. This one should be student sales. Student sales, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, third one should be search, right click, action, this one, search. Here we have to paste it, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to change this one as a search page. So search, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be search. After that, here this one should be exit. So here we have to write, if it is exit, we have to write later this one. So here we have to, first we have to select the book page, select the frame, select the frame, right click, properties, code, right, center is there. You have to make sure all the forms, when the form is loaded, it should be at the center. This one should be at the center. Search, we didn't make as a center, right click, properties, code, generate center, fine. After that, student sales, select this one, properties, codes, right, all the stuff are fine. Now let's go to the default configuration. Here we have to make this one as a main. It's starting from the main. Click OK. Now let's check them, it's working or fine or not. Right, main. Here the form is not at the center. Select this one, properties, code, generate center, close it. Now let's check. Right, perfect. This is our main panel. Click the book. Right, you will be able to register the book here. Right, if you cancel it, cancel. Book part, you will be able to do the same stuff. Cancel it. Issue book, here also you will do the stuff. Cancel. Search, we don't have a search cancel button. We have to put the search as search also have a cancel button. So you have to write like this. Search, we need here cancel. Simply put one button, cancel. this one, right click, event, action performed. Here we have to write simply this dot set visible false. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, now let's click search, click cancel. Alright, okay, it's a simple one. I have made it. I hope you guys understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. In my next tutorial, I will be teaching the login form. Right, if you enter the correct username and password, it will be successfully log into the system. I will be explaining in my next tutorial. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.